Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll cover how this powerful scripting language can automate tasks, enhance forms, and customize document behavior. You can leverage JavaScript to perform calculations, validate data, and even interact with external databases. This capability transforms static PDF documents into dynamic, interactive experiences, saving you significant time and effort in your daily workflows. To begin, let's access the JavaScript console. Navigate to Tools, then JavaScript, and select Document JavaScripts or Console. The console allows you to test code snippets in real time. For instance, you can type app, alert, hello world, and press enter to see an immediate pop-up message. This interactive environment is invaluable for debugging and understanding how your scripts will behave within Acrobat Pro. Next, we'll explore document-level JavaScripts. These scripts are embedded directly within the PDF and execute when the document opens, closes, or prints. To add one, go to Tools, JavaScript, and then Document JavaScripts. Here, you can define functions or variables accessible throughout the entire PDF. For example, you might set up a script to automatically populate a date field upon opening, ensuring consistency across all your documents. Finally, let's look at field-level JavaScript and custom actions. You can attach scripts to individual form fields to validate input, perform calculations, or change field properties dynamically. Right-click a form field, select Properties, and then the Actions tab. Here, you can define what happens on events like mouse up or on blur. This allows for highly interactive forms, such as automatically calculating a total from several input fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.